God morgen. Good morning. Good morning. Hello everyone, this is Oliver from Oliver Travels, and we are on a small little adventure. We just saw a video yesterday on TikTok with this nice bakery here in Oslo. I didn't even know it existed. So we're gonna go and check it out, have ourselves a little breakfast, and I'm gonna make a little video about it. It's -8 degrees, freezing cold, winter is here. Let's go on this fun little ride. My two foodies, are you hungry?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
No.
No. You're from Thailand, you're always hungry.
Really?
Yeah, Babe, can you say frisk luft?
Frisk luft.
Beautiful weather today here in Oslo. Blue sky.
To know me, I bet I'm stuck inside your mind. I see you with somebody, but look at my way all night. Keep your hands off my body. Yeah, you can look but never touch. Do you think you got a shot with me?
Now it's about a 7-minute walk to Åpent Bakeri.
Let's go. Everybody here wanna see what I've got. Keep your eyes on me. I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see? That's alright. You can love, you can hate, I don't mind. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me. I'm the star of this year. I just love the attention. Did I mention that I love the attention? Did I mention? Like this. See them staring at me. They just wanna be me. See them staring at, see them staring at, see them staring at
Okay.
me. Hands off my
Klar.
body. Yeah, you can look but never. Do you think you got a shot with me? I think you're trying just too much. Keep your focus on me, snap your shot. Everybody here wanna see what I got. Keep your eyes on me, I'm here all night. I'm so bad, but I love the spotlight. You like what you see,
That is
that's alright.
Bislett Stadium.
Love, you can hate, I don't mind.
Very
Keep your
famous.
focus on me. Keep your focus on me. Keep your focus on me.
You guys enjoying the snow? No. No comments.
Keep your focus on me.
I think-
Snap your shot. Everybody here wanna see what
I think
I
they're
got.
freezing.
Keep your eyes on me, I'm here.
We arrived at the destination. Let's go check it out. Instead of enjoy. It's good. Cozy little cafe. Let's enjoy. So why Mahmoud? You happy?
Very, very happy.
Do you like this place?
Yes.
1 to 10?
10 out of 10.
Ooh. Rada.
You want to see the behind the scene?
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
End of the road for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you're new to this channel, feel free to subscribe it. And I see you in the next one.